flying alone. I came on the airport to the airport. I don't know. I'm like, if I have to wait for them to open at 12, like that's not gonna work because like I have to leave at 11. Stressing me out, and like I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm kind of like excited. I cannot believe I locked myself out of my room. Hey guys, it is officially travel day. I'm like excited but like also really nervous. Like I'm excited to go home, I guess, but I'm like kind of nervous to travel because I like don't know what I'm doing, and I've only been in this airport like once, and then like the last time, so we drove up here. I came on the airport to the airport. I don't know, actually I've only been like once or twice, so I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm trying to like, you know, it's gonna go fine. I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna put it in the universe, and hopefully it actually will go fine. But I'm nervous. I'm like nervous to even like get there because like I have to get a cab or a taxi, and like I'm like nervous to even get in the taxi, or I don't even know how to do that. So we'll see what happens. But I'm starting to pack, or I started to pack yesterday. I have all my clothes in here, or like some of my clothes in here, so I just need to finish packing. I also need to run to Target because I was supposed to go yesterday, but I ended up not going, even though like I literally had time to go, but I didn't go. I don't know, but I need to go really quickly, and right now it's like 7:45 or something, and I have to leave at 11. I have to like get in the taxi at 11. My flight's actually at 4 and we board at 3:30, 3:20, but like I need to get there early, and I think it's gonna take me like 30 minutes or maybe more to get to the airport. Probably more, and then it's gonna take me forever to get to the airport because not only do I like not know where I'm going, but like it just takes forever to get to the airport in general. So I'm like updating you guys. I have my bag like right here. This is what I keep looking at. My bag's here. I'm gonna make up my bed. I have to clean my desk because like my roommate's really cleaned up, or like sort of cleaned up. So I just feel like this is the cleanest our room has been in like a hot minute. So like I need to join the club, you know? So I'm just gonna clean my desk. I feel like everything else is clean. Like everything else is not clean. It's just my desk is really cluttered. So I'm like gonna take some of that down and like just figure that out. And yeah, and then I'm gonna make up my bed before I go. And yes, okay, I'm kind of like nervous, but I'm really excited. Okay, this is kind of what like we're working with right now. Like I have an outfit right here. I think this is the only outfit right there. Yeah, outfit there, outfit here. I like have two. This is a sweatshirt, this is a short sleeve shirt. I just like, it's going to be cold. It's going to be cold, but like it's also not going to be as cold, so like I don't know. So I'm bringing like short sleeves and long sleeves, and then I have a skirt here, so maybe if I want to wear a skirt, if it's not cold, like too cold. I feel like as long as it's not windy, it shouldn't be too cold. And then like I have another jeans here. Everything else is jeans except for this pair. And then I'm only gonna be down there for 4 days, so Thursday through Sunday. I leave today. Today's Wednesday, and then I'm going to come back on Sunday. And I don't really plan on even wearing an outfit, but I'm gonna have sweats just in case to wear on the airplane. But like I have another outfit there because I don't know. And yeah, so that's basically where packing has gotten me. And so I need to figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear because I feel like all my outfits are different and I need a different pair of shoes for every single outfit. But obviously that's not gonna work, so I need to compromise somehow and find like a pair of shoes that can go with every outfit. But I'm looking and I'm just really confused on what I'm gonna wear, but I'll figure it out. Okay, this is kind of the before of my desk. Like, it's so bad. Don't even look. But I'm gonna show you the before and then I'm gonna show you the after. Okay, this is the finished look. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Like, so much better than what it just did look like. But yeah, so much better. And I made up my bed. Sorry, there's something on it, but like I did make it up. So like everything's like now clean and organized. And the only thing that I still need to really do. So I still haven't packed my shoes. I still need to do that. But I also need to like unpack my backpack because I want to bring my backpack on because I want to bring my computer on and I want to bring like all my electronics like on to the plane. So I need my backpack. I need to bring it. But like I feel like I'm not going to fill it up enough to be able to justify me bringing like my backpack. But I really want it, so and I really want to bring my laptop on, so okay, whatever. I'm gonna have to do it because like I need it. So yeah, and maybe I'll figure out some things that won't fit in my suitcase, even though my suitcase is not even filled up. Like I still have a whole other side that I have not filled up at all, but I'm hoping that somehow, some way, I will need to put some things in a backpack, and that can justify me bringing my backpack and me carrying on my laptop. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm about to go on my Target run. I woke up so early. It's literally 8:24. It's 8:24, and I was supposed to wake up at 8:45, and like not only did I wake up way before that, I also have like gotten ready and cleaned and like just fully like I'm just like ready to go. Maybe it's just because like it's travel day, so I'm just like gotta get ready, and like maybe it's because I'm like nervous because it's my first time flying alone like ever, so I don't know, but I'm early and I'm gonna go ahead and go to Target now. Okay, I'm in a little bit of a predicament because I do have a package I need to pick up, and I don't know what time like the mailbox opens, but I need to know open so that I can get my package before I go because they said do not have any packages. So yeah. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back. Okay, I stopped by CVS because I'm hoping they may have what I need because I have to pass it on the way, and I really don't want to walk away to Target, so we're gonna see. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me go in my... Okay, so like I said, CVS ended up having everything that I needed, and I didn't end up having to go to Target, so I'm just going to show you what exactly it was I needed. I just needed like the small toiletries because like I'm bringing my bag on and it has a carry-on and you can't like have the big ones. So we have body wash and like the face wash and then just little deodorant and then like the Crest, but toothpaste, but like it had to like there wasn't the ones without the little toothpaste, like the actual toothbrush thing, because I'm gonna actually bring my toothbrush, but like this had to come with it, so I just got the one with the toothbrush. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got.
Oh yeah, I got a lockout. I have somebody who locked themselves out the room. Sorry.
Oh my god, I literally forgot my key and it took 37 minutes for me to get back. I go to the RA, my RA, like that's on my floor, and she doesn't answer. I'm guessing she's not there or something, not available. I don't know, but she doesn't answer. Like I'm downstairs waiting for the resource center. He's like, the resource center opens at 9. It's 9:37. Why haven't it opened yet? And like I go up, and then I check the 3rd floor RA and the 4th floor RA, and then I find a sign that says the resource center is actually opens at 12, not 9. And then they have like an office, like all the RAs have like an office on the 2nd floor, which is the lounge. No one's down there. It's like actually insane. The 1st RA that answered, the 3rd floor RA did not answer. My RA did not answer. The 4th floor RA did end up opening the door, and she's like, you gotta go back downstairs. He has to like, the security guard has to call the RA on duty. All of this, he's like, that's exactly who I called, who said they would be down here at 9. They're not down there at 9. And then like finally the maintenance guy or whatever like comes up and is like, okay, I can open your room. 37 minutes later. It's been a journey. Don't forget your keys. Let me get this key actually right now because this is actually insane. I cannot believe I forgot my key. And like I feel like this was I've never forgotten my key before. Like I just went to go throw my trash out because like we had to take out the trash before we go, and it literally, I forgot my key, and then I realized I literally locked my door. And usually when I just like turn the like lock thing, and then it like doesn't like lock, but I forgot to do that, and I forgot to bring my key, so I just like completely forgot my key, and I've never done that before. And it's been a real journey. And I was just like, if like they can't come, like if I have to wait for them to open at 12, like that's not gonna work, because like I have to leave at 11. Stressing me out, and like I'm so hungry, and I need to eat before I need to eat before I go, so I don't have to pay for airplane food. I cannot believe I locked myself out of my room.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make it mine. It might take some time to change your mind.
Hi guys, I'm back now. It's been a couple of days now, obviously, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over how it was like flying, and like kind of just what I went through, because I didn't like really talk too much when I was in the airport, because I was really trying to pay attention and just make sure I wasn't going the wrong way or missing my flight or anything. But I'm just gonna kind of talk about it now and like how everything went. So when I first got there, I got there really early. It was like 11 something, and my flight wasn't until like 3, I think. I didn't think we boarded until 3 or something like that, or 5. No, I don't know. It was like hours. My flight was gonna be hours. Like I would be waiting there for hours. So I went to the front desk and I asked for earlier flight, and I ended up getting a flight that like left at like 12 something, which was perfect because I was there at like 11:30 or so. So I get there. It was so chill and so peaceful. There was barely anyone there, which I was so surprised about, because like it was the day before Thanksgiving, and I was flying like in New York or whatever. So I was really confused. I was like, it should be so many more people here, but it wasn't. Getting through security was a breeze. Like I barely had to wait. I didn't even really have to wait, and it was honestly so peaceful, so nice. Like I honestly really like it, and like it was nice. So I just had my headphones on. I was listening to music, and I was just going through the airport. Then the flight itself was good. I was sitting next to this like couple with a baby, and I was really nervous, like sitting down. I was, oh my god, this is like gonna be the worst seat in the world. But actually the baby slept the entire time, and until we like landed. When we landed, like he woke up and then he started crying, but like the whole like 2-hour flight was like fine, and he was not crying at all, and it was great, which was good. So, and I honestly didn't mind when we were, because like we were literally about to get off the plane, so it wasn't like too like annoying when he started crying or whatever. So yeah, and then I got off the plane, and now getting into like Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, like that one, that was full. Like, but like I kind of navigated it well. Like that's my hometown airport. Like I know that one, and it was like fine. And then I just like waited for my parents to get there. I ended up having to check my bag. I wasn't gonna check my bag. I had like a really tiny suitcase, so I was just gonna bring it on the plane. But the flight was so full, and then they just ended up like, they got like a couple people, and then like after that they like cut it off, and they were like, everybody else has to like check their bags. So then like I just checked it, so I had to go get it from the baggage claim, even though that was not what was supposed to happen at first. But it was really easy, and since I like checked it like when I was already on the plane, it was like one of the first ones that came back, which was really great. And since it's after break, I've already flown back, so like I've done like the opposite, like flying back into New York, which was great too. It was really fun. Like I was trying to, like when we were flying over New York, I was trying to like figure out where like my dorm was, like trying to use like Empire State and like stuff like that to like be able to like be like, oh, it's like in this general vicinity and like stuff like that. And then I saw the Statue of Liberty from the plane, which was really cool. And but yeah, it was pretty great flying by myself, and I love seeing my family. I haven't been home. I literally have not been home like since I moved. Like I have not gone home yet. So that was my first time going home, and it was really, really great. And I have 2 more weeks left, less than 2 weeks. Today's Monday and I leave next Friday, so less than 2 weeks. And I'm ready to go back, honestly. But I was also kind of ready to come back to school. And I feel like at school there's just so much to do. I love it here, but I also was really missing home, really missing my family and my house and my room and all of that good stuff. So yeah, but I'm gonna be back literally in no time. But these last 2 weeks is gonna be a lot. There's just so much work to do. I've been like literally planning out, like I literally just wrote out everything that I had to do, and I literally almost had a panic attack just writing it out. So like just knowing like how much I have to do is just like, oh my god. But I'm gonna get through it and it's gonna be great. But anyway, thank you guys for coming along with me and like being there as I like fly alone for the first time and things like that. And that's just the first time out of many times, because it's gonna be great. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.